Hello everyone, welcome to the recap videos on US30. So we move on to Monday the 9th of September, then I'll go over the next 2 days and that'll take us up to current time. So I haven't done any recap video pictures for this yet, so we're just going to go over this area here. So going into the new week, you would be looking at the previous day. So you have a premium sell area here in this area. So let's just put a grey area there so you know what I'm going on about. Turn that to grey. And you can see all the way until close we had no kind of retracement. So that would be like that. This is the New York opening. Price goes all the way down and that went all the way until the close. So there's no buy area there. So you can clearly see they were selling from here and they didn't buy down here because you got no reversal. So going into this day, what you'd naturally be looking for is a continuation down, especially as you've got the gap here. This is the weekly opening gap indicated by the blue lines running along there. This is your London opening, this is your New York opening. So what you'd be looking for is some sort of reversal in this area, or price to go up into the premium sale area up here with the New York session. And that's what we're going to look at now. We'll go down to the 5 minute. We're just going to go over how you would look to trade that. So we're going to leave it like that. So what we have here is the previous day. This was non-farm payroll here. This was on the Friday. This is the New York opening. This is premium sale area up here, and we just dragged those areas along. New York opening, non-farm payroll. Now we can focus on today. So you focus on the London opening. You got the mop here, pre-London here, and the London opening here. So normally with the London openings, you'd get some sort of retracement. So seeing as you're looking for a continuation down, you'd be expecting a continuation down for the New York session. So naturally you'd be looking to buy here, especially if you see support from the new London opening. Price went up, doesn't really give you any bullish setup. Price retraces a bit, doesn't retest the open, so there's no buy trade, and then price just continues up. And then we start to go into the New York session. So there's no real trade here. Now this turns into the London discount buy area because they was obviously buying, but there's no real setup. So this is just a minor discount buy area, and you can see we retested that there. So going into the New York session, we have come up to the NFP level here. We haven't come up to the premium sale area. So you'd be looking for a reversal here first with the New York opening. And if price goes up, you'd be looking for a reversal here. Zoom in a bit. This is the pre-New York high volume time and then the New York opening here. This could be a sell setup because we take the high just before the New York opening takes place. So if you start to see that go down, that could have been a sell opportunity because it's taking liquidity just before the New York opening to carry that volume down. A few traders took this trade and they got the downwards volume. Price went all the way down, cleared the lows, and small profits were taken there. Some even got into the buy after seeing a reversal here, but that was not my bias. And they took the buy from here. As you can see here, price then started to go up, takes us out a break even, people who are selling, and then price pushes up, comes back down, uses that New York opening as bullish support, and continues to the upside. This was my next entry area up here at the previous day New York opening. So this is this price action here, where there is also a premium sell area. So this is the better price to start looking for a sell trade. So I got into a sell round here. Stop loss at the high, and I was looking for a downwards move. You can see price goes sideways, creates liquidity here. This is your first area of support because that retested the New York open and then pushed up. So this area becomes support and resistance running along there. Price goes down, came down, we moved to break even and took a small partial profit. Support and resistance was respected. and then price continued up. So even if your bias is to sell and it's going against you, you're still looking for those confirmations to get into the trade that would favour any kind of losses over any kind of, you don't want to take losses. You want to favour yourself into getting into those good reversal areas so you can profit from the reversal if that is the true direction. Then you just have to manage your trade by moving to break even and taking small partial profits. That's what we're doing from selling from here, and that's what we're doing selling from here. We're just following rules. Price then goes up into our premium sale area, as you can see there. Then we start to come into the premium sale area. So what you'd be looking for here is some sort of reversal, especially around this area, because you got the push down and then the fake out and then the downwards move. So this is a concentrated area. I even took a sell here. Price started to go down and then got stopped out. Then I stopped, but taking partial profits here and here covered that little stop loss hit. Price then went up, just about took the previous high, but now you're looking at the chart as more bullish than bearish. So what you'd want to be doing if you've got a sell from up here after taking the previous day high, you would only be wanting to look for a retracement. So you wouldn't be wanting to hope for a big bearish move down because it's late in the evening and price has showed you that it's not respecting your setups and confirmations that you are hoping for. Price comes down, support and resistance, you would have took partial profits there if you got into that move. Some would have missed that because it goes late into the evening. So that was Monday. So even though it's a full bullish day, if you stuck to your confirmations, you would have made small profit here, small profit here, might have got a stop loss hit up here like I said, and then you would have made some profit on the way down here. You're just still looking for those key areas. You're focusing on the reversal, and on this day it was with the New York opening, previous day New York open, and the previous day high. So that is Monday. Now we go on to Tuesday.